Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic is importance of flowers. Flowers' importance in nature is everywhere. They can feed insects, birds, animals, and humans, provide natural medicines for humans and some animals, and aid in a plant's reproduction by enticing outside pollinators. Without flowers, plant would not reproduce. Importance of flowers. Appearance of flowers can say a lot about a plant. Large, bright, colorful flowers attract insects and bugs. As they crawl along the flower, pollen gets all over their bodies. Insects visit more flowers and take the pollen with them. Uses of flowers: food production, source of honey, source of medicine, help in pollination and crop yield, give beauty to the surroundings, provide perfumes and scents, decoration, and to prepare dyes. A flower, sometimes known as a bloom or blossom, is the reproductive structure found in flowering plants. Plants of the division Magnoliophyta, also called angiosperms. The biological function of flower is to affect reproduction, usually by providing a mechanism for the union of sperm with eggs. Flowers may facilitate outcrossing, fusion of sperm and eggs from different individuals in population, resulting from cross-pollination, or allow selfing, fusion of sperm and egg from the same flower, when self-pollination occurs. Some flowers produce dispores without fertilization. Parthenocarpy. Flowers contain sporangia and are the site where gametophytes develop. Many flowers have evolved to be attracted to animals so as to cause them to be vectors for the transfer of pollen. After fertilization, the ovary of the flower develops into fruit containing seeds. In addition to facilitating the reproduction of flowering plants, flowers have long been admired and used by humans to bring beauty to their environment, and also as object of romance, ritual, religion, medicine, and as a source of food. Uses of flowers. Flowers like marigold, zinnia, etc. are used for making colors. These are used to dye clothes. Some flowers are used for decoration purposes. Arnica flower is used in making lotions. The vanilla bean comes from an orchid. Kachnar, banana, and sahjan are eaten as vegetables. There are some disadvantages of flowers. Number 1, poisonous. Nature has given some plants protection from animals through poisonous foliage. Number 2, allergies. Plants produce pollen in the spring, summer, and sometimes fall to make seeds for next year's growth. Timely maintenance, costly investment. It makes shopping for flowers less personal. You can't give the same attention and care when choosing flowers online. Buckets and floral arrangement may not arrive fresh or in good condition. The online florist may not be partners with your local florist, meaning your flowers may be shipped from far away. Once again, compromising freshness and quality. If they don't offer same day delivery, then your delivery may take too long. A very important part, that is parts of flower. Flowers attach with the stem of plant. These are the sepal, which protects bud and enclosed all the parts of plant. Sepal is green in color. These are the bright colors petals. These are the bright color petals. They are collectively called corolla. The petals are collectively called corolla and sepal collectively called calyx. It is a female reproductive part, that is gynoecium, consists of stigma, style and ovary. The ovary contain ovules, that is the female reproductive cell. And it is collectively called stigma, style, ovary and ovule, collectively called pistil. Here there is a male reproductive organ called androecium, and androecium consists of stamen. Stamen consists of anther and filament. Inside the anther there are pollen grains are present, which is male reproductive cell. It is also a parts of flower. Leaf attached to a stalk, stem, sepal, petals, colorful part is called petal. The male reproductive part is called stamen, consists of anther and filament. Anther contain pollen grains. The female reproductive part, gynoecium, called pistil, consists of stigma, style and ovary. And inside the ovary, ovules are present. If we cut the stem and take the TS of stem, we can see the vascular bundles inside the stem of our dichotomous plants. Vascular bundles consist of xylem, phloem and cambium cell. We can easily observe these vascular bundles under microscope if we take the transverse section of the stem. Now the functions of flower. Peduncle, the stalk of a flower. Receptacle, the part of a flower stalk where the parts of flowers are attached. Sepal, the outer part of the flower, often green and leaf-like, that enclosed a developing bud. Petal, the parts of a flower that are often conspicuously colored. Stamen, the pollen producing part of a flower, usually with a cylinder filament supporting the anther. Anther, the part of the stamen where pollen is produced. Pistil, the ovule producing part of a flower. The ovary often supports a long style topped by a stigma. The mature ovary is a fruit and the mature ovule is a seed. Stigma, the part of the pistil where pollen germinates. Ovary, the enlarged basal portion of the pistil where ovules are produced. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.